What is going on, guys? This video is going to be an update. As you may know, I am an affiliate marketer, but also I'm a chemical engineer. And I recorded a video a while ago in which I was thinking on going back again to work for a company. And right now I'm a full-time affiliate marketer and I'm making commissions. But when I started affiliate marketing, I was doing the two things. I was working as a chemical engineer and doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle. Recently, some engineers called me that if I'm willing to work for them again. And when I was working as a chemical engineer, I was in charge of the Central American and Caribbean region. And when they fired me in 2020, I have a strong affiliate marketing business that was giving me good amount of commission. That is why I think that the best time to start an affiliate marketing business is when you have a job, because it takes time to start getting results. But talking about my job possibility, that was a job that I liked. And doing the two things again, I think that it will be like kind of interesting, because I can show you how to start and run an affiliate business while doing a 9-to-5 job. But it all depends on the offer that they will give me in the next weeks. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you are interested on learning the skills on how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Talk to you soon and God bless.